What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some cardio exercises inside the house. So grab your yoga mat and follow along. For this first exercise, we're going to be doing narrow to wide squats. Keep your arms pumping. I'm going to show you guys the form first and then we're going to get into the exercise. You're going to go out, squat, come up, squat, go out, squat. So you see how my arms are pumping? Make sure you're keeping your arms moving the entire time. Okay, we're going to do one set of 30, so go ahead and follow along. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. For this next exercise, we're going to be doing the squat twist kicks. That's a tongue twister. So here's what it looks like. Arms up, squat, twist, squat, twist. We're going to be doing one set of 20, so that's 10 on each side. So go ahead and follow along. Good job. Give yourself a 10-second break. For this next exercise, we're going to be doing reverse lunge twists. So what you want to do is you want to bring your arms up and almost keep them together. You're going to reverse lunge and twist the other way. So if you have this leg coming up, coming back into a lunge, twist. Just like this. Twist. Go back and lunge. We're going to be doing 3 sets of 10 on each side. So go ahead and follow along. Good job, give yourself a 10-second break. Next, we're gonna be doing some reverse lunge taps, 10 on each side. Arms up, lunge back, leg up, clap. Just like this, clap. Good job, 10-second break. Then get on the floor, arms are up, back of the head. One set of 20, let's do it. Good job, you guys. If you enjoyed this warm-up, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and share this video with somebody else. I'll see you guys in my next workout.